Hello, my name is Emmanuel Edwards. I'm the owner and curator of the Goody Vault, a vintage clothing store located here in Wicker Park, Chicago, Illinois. Let's have some tea and I'll show you around. So when I think about impermanence and rebirth, I can't help but think about imperfections. There's a beauty in imperfections, there's a story in imperfections, and that makes these garments special to me. To many, this might be regarded as trash or something that doesn't really have use, but looking through the lens that we look through, we value it so much to be gleaned from repairs, from wear. You can see if someone was right-handed or left-handed. You can see if they worked on their knees, if they worked sitting down. We don't know, but you can tell by the wear and the imperfections, which makes this very special. One thing that we do provide at the Goody Vault is our mending classes, which teach people to slow down. We teach them how to hand mend their damaged clothing. That process requires a lot of patience, a lot of love of the garment. You know, you want to repair it in a way where you can utilize it and utilize it hard, where you can really wear it like you normally wear it. I think what we're trying to do here with the mending, with the reselling of vintage clothing, is honoring the past. We're learning lessons so we can study the past and study what people have already done. We can make our lives easier and also keep those precious stories alive. Right now, I'm just reinforcing, I already started this repair yesterday. Now I'm just reinforcing it a little bit and giving it a little more character, some more color, making it fun, but also reinforcing so we don't have to repair it again. The topic of rebirth really resonates with us and what we do here at the Goody Vault. One of our biggest things is always giving our garments that are distressed and worn a new life. And we want to always extend the life of something that's special to us. When you get a chance, come by, join one of our classes, come make an appointment. We'll have tea for you so you can try it out yourself.